So this is how you do a back stitch. This can create a stitch as a continuous line, so you have no breaks in between. Obviously, the smaller the back stitches then are, the easier it is to curve around corners. So bring your needle up through the end of your line and create your first stitch as long as you want it to be. And then what you want to do is you almost want to skip a stitch. So for example, if I bring the needle up here and pull it through as if I was doing a running stitch, but what we're then going to do is we're going to come back on ourselves and come back down in the same hole as the first stitch, and then we're going to come on again as if we're skipping a stitch and come back on yourself again. And keep going in this fashion. And then create your last stitch at the end. And that is how you create a back stitch.